Year 2001, Delhi. While waiting for the school bus, my eyes caught sight of a machine that passed in front of me for only 10 seconds. I couldn't understand anything and I went completely numb. After 10 seconds, the only things I remembered were the lime green color and the word ninja. Yes, I became quite fascinated early in the morning after seeing a Kawasaki Ninja sports bike. उस दिन स्कूल में भी सबसे बोरिंग मैथ्स क्लास में मैं कोशिश कर रहा था कि निंजा बाइक का स्केच बनाऊं। खैर, टीचर ने यह सब करते हुए तो मुझे नहीं देखा, बट मैंने उस दिन एक सपना देखा, a dream that someday I would also have that ninja and in the same lime green color. Amidst the stress of the board exams and the peer pressure of our society, I didn't realize when this dream started to fade away. But in my subconsciousness, I had seen myself riding the same bike multiple times. जिस एज में लड़के गर्लफ्रेंड्स के सपने देखते हैं, I was dreaming about my dream bike, Kawasaki Ninja. In 2002, I passed my board exams and school भी top किया. As a gift, I received my first bike, a Bajaj Pulsar 150, which I really liked and I was quite happy. But somewhere, the dream of the Ninja remained incomplete. School, college, MCom and MBA, one by one, all the check boxes were getting ticked, but my Ninja checkbox was still empty. I was missing something really badly, and that was the Ninja. Since the internet was not as common back then, I used to buy auto magazines and cut out Ninja's photos from them and stick them in my cupboard. This way, I knew my goal, the lime green mean machine, the Kawasaki Ninja. I had a wrist fracture in a bike accident, so my parents sold the bike and I was asked to buy a car, a safe and easy ride. सभी के साथ होता है, right? Just like any middle class family, my first car was a second-hand Maruti Alto. When I started my job, the pressure and targets of sales replaced the Ninja picture in the cupboard, and I started focusing only on my career. Perhaps the dream of the Ninja had faded out somewhere and didn't return for many years. As I received promotions at work, my lifestyle and cars kept upgrading, from a second-hand Alto to a Ford Figo, Baleno, and finally a brand new Jeep Compass. The journey paused. One day, while traveling at a traffic signal, the same thing happened that had happened 20 years ago. That one moment when something passes in front of you and you go numb. After 10 seconds, you return to your normal, but only two things remain in your memory: the lime green color and the word Ninja. It was a perfect deja vu for me, perhaps a call, a reminder, and a clue that some dreams are still unfulfilled, some commitments made to oneself are still pending. This was the time when I decided to ignore peer pressure, society, and comments about safety and comfort, and fulfill my incomplete dream, my aspiration, Kawasaki Ninja. With some savings, tax refunds that I didn't expect to come back to me, and a little motivation, I decided to go ahead with my dreams. सेविंग तो साइड बाय साइड चल ही रही थी और साथ में अल्पाइन स्टार के राइडिंग ग्लव्स और AGV हेलमेट, यस, वैलेंटिनो रॉसी वाला AGV हेलमेट जो काफ़ी टाइम से शॉपिंग कार्ट में सेव था, उनको परचेस करने का टाइम भी आ गया था. Today, I am riding my new Kawasaki Ninja 300 and trust me, it feels so proud and powerful riding this 296cc 4-stroke parallel twin liquid cooled engine which produces a maximum power output of 39 freaking horsepower at 11,000 RPM. After achieving this dream, I feel accomplished and complete. And I remember those beautiful lines I read in the same auto magazine: 4 wheels move the body, 2 wheels move the soul. So if you have a dream to be stubborn and fulfill it. क्या आपका भी कोई ऐसा सपना है जो अभी तक पूरा नहीं हो पाया? I think it's time to think about it.